Jim Cramer's here to answer your Twitter questions from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Jim, we start with a question from Patrick. It's the question everyone has on their mind. Is this another head fake day?
Well, I don't like up openings, let's put it that way, and I think that what you do is you use them to get rid of the stuff you don't like, and that's pretty much what I'm going to say about it. I do want to encourage everyone on Twitter. There's a million questions coming on Twitter. Give them to this, because this is when I'm going to answer individual stocks. I'm not going to answer them on Twitter. I can't. There's too many being asked.
All right, let's get to some of those stocks. Somebody asked, in all this carnage, do you see any silver lining in dining stocks like Texas Roadhouse or Cracker Barrel?
I spoke to Buffalo Wild Wings yesterday. Business is quite strong. I think Cracker Barrel's terrific with gasoline coming down when they get the refinery bottleneck over. Jack in the Box has come down so much, certainly got to look at it. IHOP, which is DineEquity, I think it's very, very good. Texas Roadhouse isn't bad either. Buffalo Wild Wings would be terrific if it came down.
Are AT&T's dividends safe?
I don't like AT&T as much as Verizon. Verizon at a 5% yield is terrific.
How about an entry point for Netflix?
Well, I think Netflix is a great secular growth story, and the entry point is anytime it dips below where it was when it reported that great quarter. It was down below 98, it was at 96. I'm not going to tell you to come in now.
And finally, Jim, will Starbucks be safe to keep during the sell-off, or will it go down past its pre-split price?
My charitable trust, ActionAlertsPlus.com, is buying Starbucks. Nothing like that level of conviction. Buying some Starbucks and some other stocks, waited, have just a huge cash position, and it's really helped us. The biggest outsized cash position I can recall. And we're putting some to work now in the stocks that are not rallying or just rallying slightly, given the fact that they've come down so much, and Starbucks is one of them.
All right, Jim, thanks. As always, send your questions to Jim via Twitter. Use hashtag CramerQ. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for The Street.